So we've had a huge influx of fans and lights this week, and haven't gotten everything out yet. Here's a little profile. Here's a nickel newer hunter, another hunter, a generic thing. Emerson, bunch of design houses. Those two CECs that somebody took all the way apart, but they have all the pieces. Some more hunters over here. I don't even know what's in all these boxes. Oh, SMCs plus that stuff. Okay, I'll show you what's out for sale now. Well, first, actually, let's look at what's back here. By the way, I think this is really cool. I wonder if that's going to make it up for sale. It's in pretty rough shape, but it's interesting. Bayport. Big Air Concept. This design house is still hanging on. At 15, I need to mark that down to 10. What's this marked at? Oh, I can't see it, so we'll mark it down to 10. 10. And then can't believe that's still here. That's sold, but it's still here. Those are still here. Oh, I never even saw this one. Thomas Industries, $10. And then Marble. Is there not a price on this one either? Grant, what are you doing? Did we forget to price it, maybe? So we'll price that one, Marble Incon. Okay. Thanks for watching.